Hello everybody, this is an important moment. I'm about to get my first big tomato out of my garden. I've been getting my cherry tomatoes and they are lovely, but this is the first one. Actually, this was the first tomato that even got started out of all my plants, but that sucker is ripe. And it's time to bring it into my house, so let's see if we can get it without destroying the tomato. There she comes. Oh, there it is. That's not a bad looking tomato.
There's one right there that's about to be right.
I know. That's a pretty good size. Mater. I'm so proud of my tomato. There you go. It's a special moment right there. Whoa! Whoa! Holy cow! God!
Lightning and thunder right together. That was right.
Woo!
Did you have that on video?
Holy cow! Oh man, I mean the hair stood up on my arms and my legs when that thing struck.
That scared the pee.
Good gosh! I mean, it was right on our head. Holy moly. I can't even breathe right now. Oh, Facebook, you see my chest. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Well, there's some entertainment for you. Right there. Good gosh of mercy. That was scary. Oh my Lord.